Experiencing a black screen with Bongo Cat? You're not alone. This issue primarily stems from problems with WebGL, the technology Bongo Cat uses to render its visuals. The application relies on your browser and computer's graphics card to display the cute cat animations. A black screen usually indicates a compatibility problem or rendering failure related to WebGL. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit, especially on Windows. To update, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, for example, an NVIDIA RTX 3060 or AMD Radeon. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions. Restart your computer after updating. A Reddit user in 2025 fixed their black screen issue by updating their NVIDIA drivers to version 555.85. Bongo Cat works best with Chromium-based browsers like Chrome and Edge. If you're using Safari on macOS, try switching to Chrome. Ensure Bongo Cat has microphone permissions. A silent black screen often means audio input is blocked. Check your browser settings and grant microphone access to the Bongo Cat website. An Apple Silicon M2 user resolved their issue by switching from Safari to Chrome and granting microphone permissions. Sometimes, antivirus software can interfere with Bongo Cat's audio processing by blocking the Web Audio API. Check your antivirus settings to ensure it's not blocking the app. You might need to add an exception for Bongo Cat or temporarily disable your antivirus at your own risk to see if that resolves the issue. First, open your antivirus software and check its settings for options related to web browsing or audio permissions. Next, in your antivirus settings, add an exception or whitelist for Bongo Cat or the Bongo.cat website to allow Web Audio API access. If an exception doesn't work, you might need to temporarily disable your antivirus to test. Remember to re-enable it right after, as this reduces your security protection. Hardware acceleration uses your computer's graphics processor to render web content more efficiently. If WebGL rendering is failing in Bongo Cat, toggling this setting can often resolve black screen issues. First, open Chrome Settings by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser window. In the Settings page, scroll down and click on the System option to access advanced settings. Locate the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available and toggle it. Try both enabled and disabled states to see which works better for your setup. After toggling the setting, completely close and restart your Chrome browser for the changes to take effect. Finally, test Bongo Cat by loading the application. If the black screen persists, try toggling the hardware acceleration setting to the opposite state and restart again. Consider using Bongo Cat as an overlay in streaming software like OBS Studio. This can bypass standalone black screen issues by integrating Bongo Cat directly into your stream. Start by opening OBS Studio and adding a new source. Right-click in the Sources panel and select Add, then Browser. In the Browser Source Properties, enter the Bongo Cat URL /bongo.cat. Configure the dimensions for the overlay. Set appropriate width and height values, such as 800 by 600 pixels. Click Add Source to complete the setup. This integrates Bongo Cat seamlessly into your stream as an overlay without needing a separate window. In your OBS preview, you'll now see Bongo Cat as part of your stream overlay, working reliably within the OBS environment. If all else fails, check online forums and communities like the Bongo Cat Discord for user-reported fixes specific to your hardware and software configuration. Remember, the open source community is actively maintaining Bongo Cat. Trends show a decrease in black screen issues due to browser updates and community-driven solutions. While AI-enhanced alternatives are emerging, Bongo Cat's simplicity and charm ensure its continued use.